Teenagers with attitudes.
Time for the real Dragon Sword power!
The Green Ranger, part of the pop culture phenomenon known as the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers of the 90s. This superhero action series created a lot of buzz back in the day, and it was part of my childhood. And for this sketch, I decided to draw him. Now before a brief history of the actor who played him, if you're brand new to my channel, my kinda art, consider hitting the like button, subscribing, leaving a comment, and let's get to it. If you haven't already heard, the tragic passing of the actor Jason David Frank, who played the role of Tommy Oliver, passed away last year in 2022. And with the upcoming Netflix special Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, Once and Always, I hope they capture the memories of what made him special and what made the show special as well, as long as the other member, the Yellow Ranger, who also passed away years ago, and I will be making another drawing of that soon after. And in this drawing, I just wanted to capture the iconic suit that Tommy Oliver wore that stood out from the rest of the cast, that made him an instant pop culture sensation. He would even come back and don the White Ranger costume in a future series of the Power Rangers. So if you've been following along with my series of this tiny sketchbook, this one I've been trying to fill out by just using ballpoint pens in black. And I did this for many reasons. For one, I just wanted to be consistent in one sketchbook and just try and practice with just one type of pen and just to see what I can come up with when I'm sketching out ideas. And this also helps me keep up with my daily art, anything to help you get better and better. Any type of practice, any type of art practice will help you improve in any way. And because I used several different black pens, one that was brand new and one that have been drying out, I like to use them for various reasons. If I wanted to do something really dark, I'll use the fresh brand new pen, and one that's drying out gives it more of a gray tone. So this helped keep all these sketches looking varied and contrast between light and dark. So speaking about this iconic green suit, what differentiated the Green Ranger from the rest of the colored suits was that he wore this gold armor plating and armor trimmings on a lot of around his entire costume, and it just made him look cool and it just made him stand out. And it just worked very well with this cool green shiny material and the cool looking helmet with the visor and teeth around it resembling the Dragon Zord. It was just one of those things that when I was a kid, the entire suit from everyone, it just looked cool. It resembled dinosaurs and animals or mythological creatures of the show as well. And his small sword-like dagger that actually has a flute attached to it. Everyone knows the tune that he plays that calls the ultimate Dragon Zord. It's just one of those iconic sounds that when you hear it, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun researching and watching old videos, old episodes of the Power Rangers and just reliving old memories from the 90s. And it was really cool to draw these iconic pop culture icons, and stay tuned for more. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you later. Bye.